In this video, we're going to look at the Coleman's Fold and Go dual burner camp stove. The first part of the video, we'll do a short unboxing, and in the rest of the video, I'll do like an initial review because obviously it'll be first time using it. And then at a later stage, I may do a full review of the product. Let's see what's in the box. So the first thing we can see is how small this is. Good size, metal, plastic. Folds open nice and easily. So as you can see, these get stored on the inside like that. And to take them out, you can see there's a little gap there. Just press these two together, and it unclips and comes out as easily as that. And then obviously to put it back in, you just do the opposite. Push it together, clip it in. That's the same, and that is the propane gas connection that's in there. It's zip tied on, so I'll cut that off. But obviously that just goes on there. It's just a warning about carbon monoxide poisoning. So the gas connection screws in there, and then it just uses a small propane tank. Pretty solid. It's got its own starters over there. Packs up reasonably small. Oops. And has a clip to keep it closed. Anyway, I'm going camping next weekend, so we can do the review portion of that next weekend. After using the Coleman dual burner for a weekend, I thought I'd give you a quick wrap up. What do I love about it? It's compact, it's light, weighs about 4.5 kilos in the bag that I keep it in with the propane cylinder, so pretty good. It gives off good heat for cooking, it boils water really quickly. You can fit 2 full-size pots and pans next to each other when the burner's folded open. Cons, what don't I like about it? First of all, I think this clip on the top here is pretty flimsy, so I've put the Velcro on there to keep it locked. You'll see how easily it just flips up. If I can find the end now. It just flips up really easily. So I put the Velcro on there, keeps it tied up. The other thing is I have issues controlling the heat. You can't turn it down that easily. When you turn it down as far as it'll go to a really low flame, as soon as you let go of the little temperature knob, the flame comes back up again. So I've seen other people have the same issue. But you know what? I can look past that. Bit of high temperature cooking, never hurt anyone. Overall, I would recommend it to anyone that's looking to buy a dual burner compact stove. Definitely a thumbs up from me. If you've made it all the way to the end of the video, thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like and subscribe for similar review videos. Thanks a lot. See you soon.